this is Dime and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, and if you have already been here, thank you so much for returning back. So today is day 2 of #FestTime with Dime. It's a very random thing that I have started. I mean, it's a video series for 10 days from October 1st to October 10th before the Durga Puja begins, and since I belong from West Bengal, we celebrate Puja as our main festival, and I thought this was the best time to do a series. First of all, second of all, if you have been here for a longer time or you've been my subscriber, then you would know that I haven't been posting since a very long time now, and I thought this was the best time to just return back to YouTube with a lot of videos. So I really hope you enjoy this series because they are going to be all makeup and glow up related videos for this 10 days, and then we are going to be back to in our normal uploading schedule. If you like watching me or my content or my videos, hit that subscribe button so that you get notified each time I upload. Also, I just realized that I don't know what just happened, but I realized that the footage that you will just see, the makeup footage, is not that great. I mean, the lighting is very bad. I don't know what happened. It was all okay, but somehow my phone just made it worse, and I have no idea how it did that. But I will try to fix that with settings and editing with exposure. I'll not put any filter, so everything you see will be unfiltered. I will just try to lighten the warmness a little bit so that the real colors are visible. I'll really try, but I don't know if that will happen even with editing. So I thought of deleting this clip once, but then I thought that I have put so much of effort and so much of products into this makeup look, and I love it, so I just don't want to waste my effort and all the products, so I'm still putting it out. If you don't like it, I understand, but just to tell you that the process that I have used to do this makeup, you can still see. It's just the lighting is not that great, so the colors and the brightness is not that great, so you may not enjoy it that well, but you can learn the process. So if you have got that time and if you just want to bless my hard work, then please keep on watching. Comment how you like this look and everything. So yes, I've done a very long intro. अब और देरी नहीं करते हैं. So with all this, let's just get into the video. सबसे पहले it's important to tie our hairs ताकि हम हाइजीनिकली मेकअप कर सके और कोई डिस्टर्बेंस भी ना हो. सो मैंने अपना हेयर सबसे पहले बांध लिया है, आप भी बांध लीजिए, एंड उसके बाद वी आर रेडी टू डू मेकअप. बट अपने हैंड्स एंड फेस बहुत हद तक क्लीन रखना, हो सके तो फेस वॉश करके ही मेकअप करना. And so I have washed my face here and I have used Lakme Blush and Glow Face Wash. आप जो भी यूज़ करते हैं आप वही कर सकते हैं. एंड उसके बाद हम टोनर यूज़ कर लेंगे. आई हैव यूज रोज़ वाटर, आप कोई भी टोनर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड फिर मॉइस्चराइज़र, बिकॉज स्किन केयर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड जितना अच्छा आपका स्किन केयर होगा उतना अच्छा मेकअप आपके फेस पे ग्लाइड करेगा एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होगा. सो आवर स्किन केयर इज़ डन एंड नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू मेकअप. फॉर माई मेकअप, फर्स्ट आई विल यूज़ द इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स कंसील पैलेट, एंड मेरे फेस में जितने भी पिगमेंटेशन है मैं उनको कलर करेक्ट कर लूँगी. आई हैव यूज़ द लाइट ब्राउन शेड टू हाइड माई डार्क सर्कल्स एंड यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. And then I will use the green corrector from the same palette and hide my red spots. So आप ग्रीन कलर यूज़ करेंगे जहाँ पे भी आपके रेड स्पॉट्स या मार्क्स है, या फिर अगर एक्टिव पिंपल है. एंड आप लाइट ब्राउन यूज़ करेंगे जहाँ पे भी आपके डार्क स्पॉट्स है, लाइक ब्लैक कलर्ड स्पॉट्स. एंड उसी तरह से मैं भी अपने पूरे फेस में कलर करेक्ट कर ले रही हूँ. बट आफ्टर यू यूज़ द ग्रीन वन, उसके ऊपर आपको ब्राउन करेक्ट कर लेना पड़ेगा. एंड यू कैन सी बहुत हद तक मेरे सारे स्पॉट्स जा चुके हैं. नाउ टू न्यूट्रलाइज आई एम यूजिंग अ स्किन टेंट एंड दिस इज़ बाय सेफोरा, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोना यूज़ अ फाउंडेशन. अगर आप फाउंडेशन यूज़ करेंगे तो बस स्किन टेंट के जगह आप फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर लीजिएगा. एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग माई फिंगर्स टू ब्लेंड it into my skin. अगर I used a beauty sponge तो मैं वो यूज़ करती, but since I'm not using a beauty sponge, I have blended it with my fingers. But to give it a more professional finish, you have to use a brush, क्योंकि जो भी आपके फेस पे एक्सेस होगा वो ब्रश अब्जॉर्व कर लेगा. एंड ऑल्सो आपके स्किन के अंदर वो प्रोडक्ट ज़्यादा अच्छे से पेनिट्रेट कर देगा. एंड आई एम यूजिंग अ कफ्स एंड लैशेस brush. It's their F013 and आप देख सकते हैं the finish. Now just to highlight all the areas जहाँ मुझे थोड़ा सा brighten look ज़्यादा चाहिए, और on all the high points I am going to use a concealer, and this one will be 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I am using Swiss Beauty concealer and मैं हर जगह लगा लूँगी, under my eyes, and मैंने चिक्स पे भी लगाया है because I want a highlighted point above and below my contour area, जहाँ भी मैं कंटूर करूँगी, और नोज़ ब्रिज पे भी एंड फोरहेड पे भी. एंड उसके अलावा देयर आर सर्टेन स्पॉट्स जो मेरा करेक्ट नहीं कर पाया था, तो वहाँ पे भी आई हैव यूज द कंसीलर एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड इट. नाउ blending is the main key when you want a flawless base. So blending में आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम दीजिएगा and I am doing the same. Blending is the key and that's all. So after I blend all of this in, I'm going to use a little bit more of concealer just to highlight my certain points a little bit more, for example the under eyes and around my lip area, क्योंकि I like it a little bit more highlighted. अगर आपको नहीं पसंद then you can just skip this extra step. आप एक ही बार highlight points पे आप concealer लगा के छोड़ सकते हैं. Now we are going to do contour and I am going to take the darkest shade from the same Inside Cosmetics palette and we'll just apply that shade all over our contour points. For example our cheekbones, like not on the cheekbones, a little below. And since I want to give it a snatched look, मैं अपने eyes के end से अपने forehead तक भी contour लगाऊंगी for snatched look. And I will use the same contour to contour my nose. and मुझे nose का contouring उतना अच्छे से करना नहीं आता है and मैं करती भी नहीं हूँ because I think my nose is pretty well contoured already. And now we are just gonna blend it and you can see that snatched look. And since it's a western look I have done contour, वरना मैं contour ज़्यादातर skip करती हूँ and if you want you can skip it too, it's not at all necessary. And yeah, we'll just blend it into our skin so that हमारा skin जो pale हो गया था ना सारा bright and skin color का products use करके, the contour will just give some depth and definition to our face and we are done. Now आप देख सकते हैं कि थोड़ा सा मेरा face oily लग रहा था. To set it we are gonna use पाउडर, नहीं तो आपका फेस वैसे ऑयली एंड ग्रीजी लगेगा. पाउडर इज़ एवरीथिंग in the base makeup. Okay, so just use a translucent powder and set your base nicely. I have used Lakme's powder. You can use any powder. You can also use compact, but translucent powder is recommended for a longer time. Just bake your under eyes and that's it. Baking का मतलब है आप कुछ प्रोडक्ट वहाँ लगा के छोड़ देंगे कुछ टाइम के लिए और वो वहाँ सेट हो जाएगा and then you will just dust off the excess. Now we'll move on to eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, I'm using Beauty Glazed palette and first of all, I'm just doing my brows. I don't really know how to do brows because मैंने कभी नहीं किया, so I'm just not going to show it. Then I'll take a very light brown transition shade and apply it on my crease as you can see, and we are going to blend it very nicely. थोड़ा product लेके apply on the outer corner of your eyes and then just drag it towards your inner corner and वैसे ही आप blend कर सकते हो. Then I'm taking हल्का सा dark brown shade and I'm defining the crease a little bit more and with the same process थोड़ा सा outer corner पे and फिर brush की मदद से in circling motion just drag it towards your inner corner and to and fro का blending हो जाएगा. Now I used this glittery shimmery shade for applying it on my eyelid and उसके बाद वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लाइट था तो just to define my eyes a little bit more मैंने उसी के पास का a little darker than the lighter shimmer shade उसे मैंने blend कर दिया. Now I'm just mixing all my shades together from my crease to my lid and वही process थोड़ा outer corner में to and fro motion में circling motion में just drag it towards our inner corner and फिर blend it and आपका eye makeup हो जाएगा. Now we'll use an eyeliner. Here I'm using Maybelline's glossy eyeliner. Again आप कोई भी use कर सकते हो जो भी आपके पास है and इससे I'll do a little winged liner but a little bit of some drama to it और जो कि होगा we'll just drag a little bit of the eyeliner अपने इनर कॉर्नर से. आप देख सकते हैं कैसे मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ एक्सप्लेनेशन में बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द प्रोसेस. आप अपने आई लाइन से ले जाके विंग क्रिएट कीजिए, उसको हल्का सा डार्क करके फिल इन कर दीजिए. विंग के लिए यू जस्ट हैव टू फॉलो योर eyebrow जहाँ वो end होता है, just draw a line towards that and you are done. And inner corner के लिए just follow your joining point of inner eyes and वहीं से draw a small hint of line and that's it. अभी lashes में I have used the same brown shade जो मैंने एकदम first में किया था and उसके बाद just apply your mascara and you are done with your eye makeup. Now for my blush, I'm using Maybelline's Flush Creator Kiss Bite and also I'm gonna link all the products that are available online in the description box, so do check it out. And मैं ना blush हमेशा अपने cheek bone पे लगाती हूँ, so I have done that. And now I just like to bake my cheek a little bit below my cheekbone, just you know, to give that snatched look a little more depth. तो मैं वो करके I'm just applying lipstick. So lipstick के लिए मैंने 3 shades mix किया है and I'll just link all the shades below. And then we'll have come to our last step, that's highlighter. And I love highlighter, so I will just highlight my entire face जो कि है cheekbone पे, nose bridge पे, chin पे and also my inner corners. And उसके बाद this is the 3rd shade of lipstick and we are done. Yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the look and the procedure. I know the lighting was not that great, but if you watched till now, thank you so much. I cannot be more grateful to you. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another video with yet another look, and most probably tomorrow's look is gonna be a traditional look, so stay tuned. I hope you really liked the video, and since puja is coming, I really want to wish you a happy puja and a safe one. Please do maintain the COVID protocols because it's not yet gone. With that, have a great puja, have a safe puja, and please keep in mind the health of yours and the others. So yeah, that's it. I shall take a leave now and I will meet you tomorrow with yet another video. Stay tuned. Sayonara.